So guys, I'm going to do a video of what's open in Corralejo at night. So here we go. First restaurant that is open at night here at 9:15 at night. This restaurant here is open. This is open. And this is how busy it is. First restaurant open. Now we're going on to the second one.
¿En serio? ¿Qué tal durmió?
I'm sorry guys, but my phone doesn't like videos at night. But I thought to do a vlog on what's open at night. Ew. Ew. No. Yeah, pussycat. That one is open as well. But as you can tell, no people. So please come here. Go to this place.
Exactly, mate. Tell them.
Will do, mate.
Tell them we are bring some people from
Here.
Tell them to some people come from. Where are you from first?
England.
England. Please, British people, you have to come and to support us,
Yes.
of course, because the island is empty without tourists in general. And of course, don't forget the girls more. The girls, they have to come more than everyone. Cheers, mate.
Yes.
See you.
See ya.
See you, mate.
So yeah, you heard this guy said, need to come over here guys to help the Fuerteventura people. So this one is open as well. And you see, you're sitting there, this is what's open. So yeah guys, please come out here. It is safe to come out here. As long as you keep your distance, like I'm doing here. You come out here, you'll be fine. I've been here for about a month now, everything's been okay, okay? Not once I've caught a virus, okay? So people need to stop being fucking scared and paranoid, okay? Just come out here. So yeah guys, now what we are doing now, this is the harbour here. This is the other restaurant that is open. Okay. Can I get the name of this place for you? Typical dog has to bark. See? That's the restaurant. Look, not busy. So people come here, help these people get busy and make up for lost time. But not busy at all. Music playing there. Same again. Another restaurant that's open. Same here again. This one is open. So guys, come here as well. This is Town Beach, okay? In Corralejo in Fuerteventura. So please, come here. Help these people. Make a lot of money because these people are losing out, alright, on their jobs. So you need to come here. Same again. This restaurant here is amazing. I've been here tonight. A spaghetti bolognese, $8.50. Perfect. So come here guys as well. And help these people out. So yeah, you need to come here guys, alright? Tourists. Don't be scared. Just come here. Right, up there you got the town centre there, supermarket. That's open. So guys, come on. Hop that on that plane on the EasyJet for a single on EasyJet is £150 with a surfboard if you're a surfer. If you're not a surfer then it's cheaper. Okay, Few restaurants stay open. So yeah, things are open here. People, okay? You want to know what open? You're getting to see what's open now. For me to walk from the beginning of where the restaurant starts up there, I'll be walking now for 5 minutes. So this video might take long to upload. That's open, the little bar. I've got ice cream. Don't know if I'm walking too fast for you lot, guys. So please let me know if I am. Yet again, some restaurants are closed. I think some restaurants are closed, some restaurants are open. You just got to come here. People, it is starting to get busier each week now. I've been here and it has got busier. This place is amazing. If we had a full English breakfast here in the morning for €5 up to midday. After midday, it's not €5. So if you want the cheap, you come here early in the morning. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the vlogs now. What's open, alright? So guys, remember to click that thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, okay guys? And tourists, people from England, come out here, it's safe, okay? Wear this, wash your hand, come out here, then you'll be fine, okay? So goodbye guys from Fuerteventura.